Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solution Nerds. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Playstore download fading through 6 methods. So let's get started. So the first method is checking your Android date and time. Now how to check your Android date and time and how to correct it, go to settings, slide down in here, search for date and time, click on date and time. Right now you are connected to a Wi-Fi or any other internet connection. Just enable automatic date and time and it will automatically reset your date and time. If you want to manually change it, just disable this option. For setting time, click on set time and change the time, and for changing date, click on set date. In here select the correct date, and after this try downloading an application. If the problems occur, then jump into a next method. So the next method is updating your Playstore. Sometimes the Playstore update is not working in background. So how to manually check that your Playstore is updated or not? For that, go to Playstore. And here click on the right top corner icon, the 3-bar icon, and here click on settings, slide down to bottom, and here you can see Playstore version. Just tap on Playstore version, and right now my Playstore is up to date. So if your device Playstore is not up to date, it will show you that your Playstore will be updating, and that will depends on your internet speeds, that how much internet speed do you have, and depends on that how quickly it will update your Playstore. Now after updating your Playstore, try downloading an application. If the problem occur again, then jump into the third method. So the third method is clear Playstore cache. This method is working almost on all Android devices. Now how to clear Android cache data? For that, go to settings. In here slide down and search for apps and some Android phone called App Manager. Click on apps or App Manager. In here search for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. In here click on storage. Right now click on clear cache, and here you can see the cache is clear. Like 90% of Android phone works on this method, and after this hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, then jump into the next method. So the next method is resetting Android Play Store. Resetting and clearing cache data is different from each other because reset the complete app data. Now how to reset Play Store? Go to settings, slide down, and like cache, click on apps. In here search for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on storage. In here for resetting your Google Play Store, first click on clear cache, and after that click on clear data. Now the dialog shows that all of this app data will be deleted permanently. Like I said, that it is not same as removing cache. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. It will reset your complete Play Store data. Click on OK, and right now after resetting your Play Store, just restart your Android phone. This method is working on all Android phones, and after that try downloading an application. If the problems occur, then jump into the next method. So the next method is the fifth method, that is clear complete phone app cache data. Now how to clear complete phone cache data? So for that, go to settings, slide down, and search for storage. Click on storage. In here click on internal storage, and at bottom you can see cache data. Right now it's calculating the complete app cache data, so wait for it. And here you can see 3.55 MB cache data. Click on cache data, and here you can see this will clear cache data for all apps. Click on OK, and it will recalculating your cache data and see that cache data is cleared or not. So here you can see the cache data is cleared, but some cache is placed here because it is the default cache for all apps. So after this, try downloading an application. Hopefully that your problem will be solved before the fifth method, but I will show you that further what you can do if your Play Store download funding is not removed. So the last method is verify your Gmail account by checking that which Gmail account you are using for Play Store. Go to Play Store, and here click on this icon or slide to right, and here you can see your Gmail account. This Gmail account is working on your Play Store. Now how to verify your Gmail account? Just go to Google Chrome and here type mail.google.com, and now here you can see it jump into my Gmail inbox. If your account is not verified, it will show you that first verify your account. It will get your email or phone number. Try phone number, type your correct phone number. After that it will send you 6-digit code, and that will show you that type that digit code. And when you type that digit code and click on confirm, and after half an hour you can easily download any app from Play Store. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.